So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I found this very amazing website. This is a sketchfab.com. So you can see there is a lots of models here. Okay, okay, what we can do, you can buy. Okay, where is the free one? Explore. Okay, let's go with popular. Okay, let's see what we can. Okay, let's go with the like in hypersport. Okay, this is BYD. Oh, what do we have? BMW. So Fiat. So let me see what's some interesting. This lady. What do we have? Okay. What where we can? Well, let's go with what we can click. There is a okay. Let's go with no bird. Let's see this Boeing case KC 135R. Okay, it's loading. So okay, you can see US Air Force. Oh, look at this. So uh, so you can see US Air Force. You can zoom in. Look at this quality of this 3D. You look at this amazing US. Wait a second. You can see all the details of this. Okay, wait. Okay, you can see this data also. US Air Force. Yes, you can see. Oh my God! Look at this. This is a very details. Okay, you can see in full screen, but I don't want to because it will automatically make a copyright on my YouTube channel. So I can simply showcase you. For example, you can search here. Well, let's go with you can search. I'm not going to search anything. I don't have. Okay, there's a lot of creepy persons. Okay, you can see what we can see. Oh, this monster, this. Oh, Miss Teacher. You can zoom in, zoom out from here also. Okay. Oh, Minecraft village. Okay. There's lots of things you can go check out. Let's see this bleach Ichigo. Okay. Oh, look at this, amazing. I found this very oh, look at this. You can see very this have lots of HD quality. Okay, you can also see in your VR headset, sorry, if you have. So that's all in this video. Go check out on this website.